are you students? You all are fine? Listen students, very soon we are going to be free from this coronavirus. So don't take tension. And to come out of this, tense atmosphere everywhere, I have brought one interesting as well as informative session for you. Yes, of course, it is related with the rhythm. We are going to see the definition of rhythm or tal in that, and afterwards we will see the two rhythms, that is Tal Dadra and Tal Jhaptal. Not in detail, but the form in which they are playing. So, to begin with the definition of rhythm or Tal. What do you mean by rhythm or Tal? Just listen this song first, so yet you will come to know what I want to say. So, what do you mean by rhythm? So, I have made wonderful definition for you students, because if I tell you the technical things of the definition of tal or rhythm, you will not understand it immediately. Okay, so I have made a very interesting definition for you of rhythm. When we play, or if you play any rhythm, I am talking about any rhythm. So, what is the definition of rhythm? We can say the group of melodious beats. Rhythm means what? The group of melodious beats which is having specific form and specific speed. What do you mean by rhythm? Rhythm means the group of melodious beats which is having specific form and specific speed. Now, what is specific form in that? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Right? This is specific form. So every tal has a specific form. And what is specific speed? 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Specific form means also that every tal or every rhythm has some parts. Just like a human body is having different parts, same way every rhythm is having different parts. You can say sam, tali, or khali, means kal. So there are many other technical parts also, but we are not going to see that. I just want to make it simple for you. तो हम ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि ताल की परिभाषा क्या है बच्चों? अपने अलग अलग अंदाज में और विशिष्ट अंतराल में बजने वाले सुमधुर मात्राओं के समूह को हम ताल कहते हैं। फिर से मैं दोहराता हूँ, अपने अलग अलग अंदाज में और विशिष्ट अंतराल में बजने वाले सुमधुर मात्राओं के समूह को हम ताल कहते हैं। देखो, स्पेसिफिक स्पीड भी है, स्पेसिफिक फॉर्म भी है, और मेलोडियस बीट्स, ऐसे बीट्स की हमें वो सुनने के बाद खुशी होती है। तो इस तरह हम उसकी डेफिनेशन, रिदम की डेफिनेशन कर सकते हैं। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस। सो इन नेक्स्ट topic we are going to learn the definition of tal dadra, or we will see what is tal dadra. Tal Dadra originally is having 6 beats. I just want to give the example of this. जैसे मैंने अभी ये गाना आपके सामने बजाया, जीवन के दिन, उसमें जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हर ताल की अपनी अपनी एक विशेषताएं होती है, अलग अलग फॉर्म होता है. In this tal also, in Dadra tal also, the specific form is what? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Whenever any rhythm is played in this form, it is very easy to recognize that we can say that this rhythm is in Tal Dadra. So there are many rhythmatic patterns which comes in 1 2 3 1 2 3. We can say that is Tal Dadra. So what is original form of Tal Dadra? So Tal Dadra is having 6 beats, and it the format is 1 2 3 1 2 3. What is 1 2 3 1 2 3? So instead of numbers, if we give the words for that, then it becomes Tal Dadra. That is dha din na dha tin na. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Dha din na dha tin na dha din na dha tin na. Okay, so this is Tal Dadra. One more song I would like to play for you to understand Tal Dadra very interestingly. So if you listen this song, this song is also in Tal Dadra. So in this rhythm, this is also Tal Dadra. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 is there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, but in different speed, right? So this is all about Tal Dadra. Next rhythm we are going to see, that is Tal Jhaptal. Tal Jhaptal is having 10 beats. As Tal Dadra is having 6, Tal Jhaptal is having 10 beats. When we are talking about the form of any Tal, Dadra is in which form? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Tal Jhaptal is having different form. What is that? 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we will speak in words instead of numbers. Dhi na, dhi dhi na, ti na, dhi dhi na, dhi na, dhi dhi na, ti na, dhi dhi na. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Understood? Now I will show you first how to play Tal Dadra on tabla, then afterwards how to play Tal Jhaptal on tabla. So Tal Dadra, dha dhi na dha ti na. And now Tal Jhaptal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you so much.